Hey guys, welcome back to episode 3 of the CB250 restoration project. We'll get Travis to explain what we're doing today.
Today we need to take the carburetors off, and it's got this diaphragm in there that we need to have a look at because I think the diaphragm's leaking. We're discussing as a team whether to just replace those carburetors and just put some updated slide ones on. It's not true or purist, but reliability is going to be better.
YOLO.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the main thing we struggled with a bit today was grinding off the gear shift lever. So on the splines here, the previous owner, can you pass the gear shift there? So the previous owner, the splines in there are all stripped out.
Mm-hmm.
So what they did is they had that on there and they welded it on. So we grind off all the weld to remove it, and then just tap that off. So we'll probably have to repair this shaft later on to replace it. And then we got Tori here who's undoing this accessory cover, and we're going to try and get the clutch mechanism open, the lever. Because when you operate the clutch at the moment, it's got this nice noise, which, there you go, that's the noise, so, which is not normal. So we need to fix that up. You touched the red food.
Oh yeah, fun times. Thanks for
Oh,
putting
there
that
it
back on
comes.
there for me.
Beautiful.
Lovely.
We're in the process of taking the chain off, so first we remove the mouse link, and now we're just about to remove the chain next.
So this is the master link, and it holds the chain together, and there's a couple of bits down there.
These two bits are what we've just removed, the parts of the master link.
Awesome.
So they hold
Yeah.
the chain together,
Okay.
and now we can pull it off.
Awesome. Good job, guys.
The apprentices are moving up.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Right.
And take it.
So, okay, I got it, alright. So we've just removed the chain. Next we're just going to empty out the oil, which is what Tori and I are doing now.
Awesome.
So,
Alright.
Oh yeah, and Mikey, don't get that oil on my garage, man.
lovely.
Not on the floor.
Well, what we've done is taken the cover off of the clutch, or the clutch plates that you see here. This is what happens is when you put the clutch in, it pushes a pin through from the other side, which loosens all of these up so they're allowed to move, and then when it goes back in, it shuts them off, so it like holds it into whatever, wherever you put it. And one of the screws at the bottom was the head of it got mashed up, so that it took a bit to get it off, but with some power tools and some muscle provided by Travis.
Some WD-40.
And some WD-40, the most important tool in the shed. Test lean back.
Just and make sure.
Not too far.
You need a
Alright, so shoulders, but you need to move your chair back. Move your chair back. Yeah, man, get your phone out of there. Alright, shoulders, yeah, because you're gonna have to do a plank. Okay, move the chair.
Closer to Michael. And then a little closer to Michael. Yep, and now go back.
Alright.
That's too far.
There you go.
Yeah, that is way too far.
No, it's not.
That's where Michael is.
No, he's on my back, not my shoulders.
Steven, get.
Can you lean back and see? Can you?
Yeah, you get back.
Yeah,
probably can.
Yeah, get back. You're next.
No, I go that way.
Get that way. You're not my legs.
Keep going.
You need to like rotate, man. Rotate this way. Yeah, like that. Yeah. And can you support yourself?
So when can we take the chair?
Alright, we'll take one out. Take that one out. Maybe Steven's first. Are you?
Lift your hips up.
Yeah. Oh, this is happening.
Oh my god!
Okay.
Lift your hips.
Lift the hips. Oh!
Lift your hips.
I'm slipping.
Yeah, do that.
Hold it!
Hold it.
Hold your core!
Hold the core. Come on, Sarah.
Yeah, put on. Oh! And Hayden, how did you think the day went, like progress-wise?
It went well.
Yeah, it went well. Yeah, awesome. And Steven? Moral support. Moral support.
Yeah.
All right.
You didn't want to get that shorts dirty.
Yeah, no.
He came too far.
Okay, cut.